Hi, this is architect Priyanka Mehra. I represent a studio called PS Design. We are based out of Bombay and Delhi. I'm thrilled to be a part of this collaboration between Design POV and Mini Cooper. This is how every day starts. Design, color, chaos, and a bit of my kids sneaking into my mood board. But today's special. Mini and I are on a design trip across Bangalore. Let's go. So I love design that surprises you. Like there are details that are so intentional. Like these toggles that are so cute. And oh my god, I love the display. It's nothing like I've ever seen in any of the cars. Exploring the spaces, textures, details that I love and seeing how this fun little car fits into all of that. What a day it's been, full of color, energy and little discoveries. From old world charm to vibrant bold streets and the Mini bringing it all together.